Today we are going to learn how to use a for loop in Python. First, we are going to know what is a loop, okay, and what is a for loop and how to use it. Okay, this is what we are going to study today. So, whenever I want to repeat a statement, I will use a loop. Okay, whenever I want to repeat a statement, the first thing is if you want to repeat a statement, you must know what is a statement needs to be repeated and how many times it needs to be repeated. Okay, these are the two questions you need to ask. What is a statement needs to be repeated and how many time it needs to be repeated. If these two are there, you'll be able to use a loop. Okay, let's go and see. Okay, now I want to print high. I want to print high. How many times I want to print this high is 10 times. So what I want to repeat is high. How many times is 10 times? Okay, let us see here in these cases. Let's go and see. So this statement high, I want to print 10 times. If you want to do this, you can copy paste it 10 times. Otherwise, you can simply use for. It needs a variable name. Next is for is a keyword. It needs a variable name. Let's say I. You can use any name. In is a keyword. Range of 10. I put like this. Range of what? 10. So now I am going to. This is the header. For is a header. Whatever the statement has to come inside the header has to go one tab inside. I put like this and I want to run the code. I got high 10. No, sir, I want to print 1 high, 2 high, 3 high. Okay, now how it works? Now you need to understand this. I have written to solve this problem. This is the code I wrote here. For I in range of 10, right? And I wrote here I. First, what it does, the range is a function. What it does, first time to I, it gives 0. After giving 0, it is going to come inside. It's going to print high. Instead of this, what I can do, you can print what the I value. If you print the I value, what will become 0 and I. Then range will give me 1, range will give me 2, range will give me 3, range will give me 4, range will give me 5. It'll keep on moving 1, 1 till 9. When it becomes 10, it will exit. Why exit also I'm going to show you. Okay. Therefore, the I will get a value from 0 to 9 and it will keep on coming inside. Okay, so let us see here. If I put it like this, what happens? Okay, I'm going to put here I go up to 9. Now I put here right now, instead of this, what I wanted, I want 1, right? There is two ways to accomplish this. Okay, I can put plus 1. One option. Okay, it gives you 1 to 10, right? There's another option is available for you. Range is a function. Actually, it takes 3 information from you. What are the 3 information range takes? Okay. If I write here only range takes start, end, and increment. 3 information. Start, if you don't specify, by default start is 0. End we gave 10. Increment by default it is 1. Therefore, what it does, it starts with 0. It'll keep on increasing by 1 by 1 till it reaches 10. Once a 10 is going to come out. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to put here right now 0 comma 1. What is the output? You see, right? Same. Now, if I want right now 1, what we said, what in this case, for I plus only, right? Instead of this, you can say start with 1. If you start with 1, what happens? You see. Oh, I need to print the I value. Sorry, I value. If I print it, what will happen? It starts with 1, but ends with what? 9. Why? Because go up to what? 9 only. No, sir, I want to go up to 10. Okay, your option is what? Then you need to put 11 here. Okay, the counter starts with 1 and ends with what? 11, but it does not go for 11. 11 it will stop it for you, increase by 1. So that means if I put it 2, what will happen? Tell me, if I put 2, it will say here 1, it increases by 2, that will become 3, then increases by 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is what? 9. I got this answer. Got it? Yeah. Now look at this. I am going to say here right now, Instead of this, I can put increase. Any increment you can write. If you put 5, it's going to increase by 5, boss. 1 and 6 only. Because after 6, 6 plus 5 is what? 11, it won't come inside. No, sir, I want like this. My I value has to run from, my I value I want from 10 to 1. Oh, 10 to 1 you want. Then your starting has to be what? 10. Ending has to be what? If I put 1, it is not going to go for 1. But here what I need to do? 10 to 1, I have to decrease, right? Minus 1. Put minus 1. That means 10, 9, 8. But till up to what? To y, 1 is exclusive. You want to include this, you can put what? 0. And you see what is happening for me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 1. Got it? Okay? So this is the range how it works. Okay, instead of I, can I use any other name? Yeah, you can use here in this case here increment. Increment. I use IN, don't use INC. IN is a keyword. See, I put increment. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay. Now let's see in these cases. Let's use it in a program. Okay, let's use it in a program. I wanted right now. I want to print the table of a number. I want to print the table of a number. What do you mean by I want to print the table of a number? If I give you a number is 7, I want the table of 7. What do you need to write table of 7? 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Till it should go 7 into 10 is equal to 17. That means now my first question is, what is a statement needs to be repeated? Oh, this is a statement needs to be repeated. Right? How many times? 10 times. Where to start? 1 to what? 10. Correct? Now, sir, look at 7 to 10. Look at this. Now, what is changing here in this case? You see, in every statement, the structure of the statement is same. The number is there in the first place. Then what is there in this case? The X sign is there everywhere. And it is going to be what? The step number 1 to 10, right? Oh, here is a product, right? That's what I'm going to do in this case is how I'm going to solve this problem. What is my input is going to be? Tell me what is my input is going to be? The number, right? I'm going to say n is equal to int of enter a number, right? I got it. Now what I need to, how many times into 1 to 10 I need it, right? I'm going to say 1 comma up to 10. I'd increase by 1 only. I don't need to write. Now what I should do? I need to print the number first, correct? Then I need to put the cross sign. Then I need to put what? The increment. Then I need to put what? The equal to sign. Then I need to put what? N into INC. Put like that. Run the code. Number 5. I got the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 8 is 9. Oh, but I need to go up to 10, right? Then what I should do? Put 11 and run the code. I put 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are this. I go to what? 60. Correct? Okay. So remember, you need to identify what is a statement needs to be repeated, how many times it needs to be repeated. Okay, let's say in this cases I want to print like this. So what to do? Okay, I want to print what? I am going to say here, I want the output to go like this. Let's see how to think on this. See, I want the output to go like this: star, 2 star, 3 stars, 4 star, 5 star. Okay. If I give you number of lines are 5, this output I want. If I put number of lines are 10, where it should go? Then it will be what? 6 stars, 7 stars till what? 10 stars. Correct? Okay. To do, I am going to say like this. Now what I am going to do is like this. Now I have been given a input number of lines. Let's say number of lines. Right? Now what I wanted? If the number of lines are 5 times I need to print. 10 times I need to print, right? Now therefore for I in range of 1 to n, plus 1. Why 1 plus n plus 1 I wrote? Because he said 5 means I need to print 5 lines. What I need to print? I need to print the star, right? Oh no, it's not going to work. It's going to print, yes, if I enter number of lines are 5, it's going to print first line is 1 star, second line is 2 star. But I need to print what? 5 star first line. So I'm going to put what? I need to put what? First time I need to put 1 star. Therefore, what I'm going to do, this string I'm going to multiply with I. When I is 1, star into 1 is 1 star, star into 2 is what? 2 stars, 3 star is going to be. String, if I multiply a number with a string, that many times it will what? Append for you. Okay, remember that. Put 6, I got here. Yeah, you can multiply a number with a string. If you multiply that many times, it will be appended for you. Okay, that's what has happened right now. Okay, fine, sir. Now I wanted to go like this. Okay. In the first line, I have 1 star. Second line, I have a 3 star, 5 star, 7 star, 9 star. If the number of lines are 5, I need to make this. But remember, the number of lines, when first time I need to print 1 star, second time I need to print 2 star, 3 stars, third time 5 star, fourth time, first time 1 star, 3 star, 5 stars, 3, when 3 is what? 7 stars, right? When it is 4, it is going to be what? 7 stars. 3, it is 5 stars, right? Now, when it is 4, it is 7 star. When it is 5, I need 9. 1 needs to be converted to 1. 2 needs to be converted to 3. 3 needs to be converted to 5. How to convert a 3 to 5 is 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 into 4 minus 1 is what? 7. 2 into 5 minus 1 is what? 9. Correct? That's what I'm going to do in this case is, whatever the I value, I'm going to multiply with what? Whatever the my value, I multiply with 2 and subtract 1. That many stars. But the challenge is here, before the 1 star, I need to print 4 space. Here, 3 space. Here, 2 space. Here, 1 space. That many spaces need to be printed before I print the star. Right now, 4 is nothing but 5 minus 1. 3 is nothing but 5 minus 2. 2 is nothing but 5 minus 3. That means the line number needs to be subtracted from the total lines. That many spaces I need to print before I print star. Okay, so what I'm going to do? Simple. So, first is I need to print what? I need to print a space first. How many space was? If n minus I, spaces needs to be printed. Multiplied by spaces. Then, how many stars we said? What? 2 into I minus 1 stars needs to be printed. Stars needs to be printed. Then go to the next line. That's it. If you put enter the number of lines are 5, you get this. Yeah? Okay? I hope you understand this. Okay? Now let's go to the next problem. Now I want this output. See? When you get it now, first analyze it. See? This is the output I want. Okay? What is that here? How many lines I have? 5 lines. Correct? 5 lines are there. In the first line I have 1 star. Total is 10. Here 8 spaces are there. 2 stars. Here 2 stars. 2 stars. 6 spaces. 3 stars. 3 stars and what? 4 spaces. And here it is what? 2 spaces. So the number of stars of both the sides of the space is equal to the line number. When I is 1, 1 star. When I is 2, 2 star, 3 star. But what is the space is going to be? If it is n is 5, total number of stars are going to be in the last line is 10. Therefore, 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Correct? 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. It's going to become like that. Okay. Now what I got to do? Look. So first is what we said here. I number of stars into star, right? Comma. Whatever the n value needs to be multiplied by 2 minus both the sides. Okay. Now I number of stars you are printing. Therefore, what you can write what? 2 into I, right? Or you can simply write here like this. N minus I needs to be multiplied by 2 needs to be multiplied by, right, space, and then I number of stars. I could write this, and the number of lines is 5. I got this output. Okay, now look at this. There's a space between the star. Why? Because after printing this, by default, the separator between two commas are going to be a space. If you want to avoid this, see, you can write separator is equal to, by default, it is what spaces exist. 5. I got this. But if you want to remove that, what you can do is here. Avoid this. Separator is nothing. I put 5. I got that. See, all comes together. Why? Because after each one, after printing each comma, before going to the next one, it puts what, a space here. Okay, yeah. So we will see more deep dive into what loops, okay, in the further classes.